Hey guys, are you tired of asking your friends and family for support? What if you could grow your business without making them feel uncomfortable? It's awkward asking your friends and family for favours and then at the same time wanting to grow your business. Back in September 2024, I was stressed and overwhelmed in that exact position. I was rejected after 11 years of entrepreneurship and leveraging friends and family's relationships. Over that time, ultimately business sometimes doesn't work out, and so it actually impacted the relationships negatively, and I regret that. See, I don't want to have that regret anymore. And then I came across this passive daily pay blueprint that taught me digital marketing. It taught me how to attract customers to me, so I no longer need to go out there and seek customers. The algorithms and automations do all the work for you. So the algorithms on social media push your perfect customer, push your content out to the perfect customer. So there's no awkward conversations, there's no awkward DMs, there's just simply consistent growth. If you want to know more about this passive daily pay blueprint that is changing my world and the world of many other people around me, then please put yes in the comments below.